In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide a worksheet in Excel 2016. So if we go over to our Excel workbook, I'm just using the same one that I've been using in the last few videos, 08 Spa Services. And maybe we have a lookup tab here that we colored red in the last video. Maybe we don't want our users to be able to see that. So we want to hide this. So we want lookup selected. We can tell that we've selected it because it kind of dims out. It turns into a gradient rather than a true color. We're going to go up to our Home tab. We're going to go up to Format. And you should see a Hide and Unhide button. And we want to hide our sheet. And now when we go down here, we do not see our lookup sheet anymore. If we go back up to our Format button on our Home tab, we go to our Hide and Unhide. We can go to Unhide Sheet. And it's going to ask us which one we want to unhide because we might have more than one that we've hidden. So we're going to unhide the lookup. Click OK. And now our lookup is back on our little directory at the bottom. And that's how you hide and unhide worksheets in your workbook in Excel 2016.